Welcome back. We are going to be continuing from where we stopped. We just completed our back end. We just went through it as an overview. Now we want to take it just the terminology in WordPress, the common terminology used in WordPress all the time, which we can usually call, or popularly call, the glossary, according to WordPress.com support. This is the link to the website here if you want to go there yourself to learn much more about the terminology and how to do that on your own. We are primarily using the source so that you don't lead anybody astray. Okay, so we have terminology for here under the topics here actually are the terminology. We're not going to be focusing on all this content, what it means, and cool like that. You could do that by yourself, and that's gonna help. It's gonna help you out to. That's gonna help you to. You could see from here the terminology are listed at this side. So let's go back up. Let's look at them one by one. We have the terminology out here. We have the absolute parts. Mm. One of the things about the WordPress glossary is that it contains all the terms that we can be used in WordPress, both as a back-end developer and also for a front-end developer. So you could familiarize yourself with this so that you won't find everything disgusting or probably naive too much. Good. We have the absolute part. What's the absolute part? It's also known as the full part. So one of the things about the absolute part, if you really want to know about it, is that you could just go to the complete location of a file or a directory within a computer file system, usually called the root directory. So let's do that. We have the absolute URI or URL. So we have them there and there. Then we have the glossary right here. I'll just run through this. We have the action, we have the admin bar. Each ones are listed, what they means, how they function in WordPress is right here. And we have the admin bar, we have the Ajax, we have the Apache, we have the API, known as the Application Programming Interface. We have the array, we have the size standard, we have the atom, we have the autosave, we have the avatar, we have the backend, we have the binaries, we have the blog, we have the blogging, we have the Bibliosphere, and we have blog bookmark from here down and on and on and on till Z. These are the glossary, these are the common terms used in WordPress. As a beginner, you may not need to put all those things in your brain, but it's very good to know some of them. And this will help you to familiarize yourself and get yourself properly with WordPress. In each of these terms, there are examples. For example, when we look at the absolute part here, we'll find that after the definition, we're giving an example. Let's assume you are viewing it from your window. We have the root directory from the C, your C and folder location, which has to do with your hard disk, the storage location. We have the user going to maths, and we have the web directory, and the web directory folder, which is hosting the blog folder. So we have the blog folder here, which is the name of the site, which supports me. We have the images, we have the ice cream. It's all called absolute path. So you could pick this and paste into a browser to access whatever you want to access, the image file directly. For example, I'm going to show you, for example, I'll show you a sample of how the absolute path work in the live mode and also probably in the desk in the local host environment. Let's check from our site. We have the backend, and we have our media where the image are hosted. We click on it, and from there we could see some of the files that have been uploaded into the site. So I want to try and access the absolute path. So I click here. So we have details about the images. So we have the absolute path right here. Okay. You could double click or you control all to select all. So now I want to view this as a user. I click on my new tab and I paste in the absolute path and wait for the image to display. So this is the absolute path for the image that is found on the ANS demo site, which you can find by going to the homepage. The image is right here. Okay, so let's get back to work. So this is an example of absolute path. It gives us the concept and the work way out on how to reassess some things faster in WordPress. Okay, so let's get back to the WordPress glossary, which where we find the terms. We have the binaries, we have the boolean, we have the blog rule, we have the book market, we have the boolean, categories, capabilities, CG on and on and on. We have the stage point. Some of these terms can be found in other programming languages or other, not all anyway, but because of the similarity between programming, sometimes, most especially in the web development environment. But this is an advanced listing here, but you could go ahead and pick the one that you need. In our coming up blog, which we're having as a webinar, we'll be talking about the WordPress terminology proper. So for those who want to join, the dates will be sent, and all of us we all join in discussion. We'll learn what we can learn about the terminology. It's very necessary. It's good as a starter, or if you are getting into the business of developing a website or being an host manager. We have the cPanel, we have the database. I'm just going to get down to it. So now we can find we have stuff at the SML, which is the extensible markup language, and on and on and on. Then we have more resources. So you can go ahead and familiarize yourself with what is here, get yourself educated more, and master what you've learned. Remember, practice make perfect. Thank you so much for